Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, The Virtual Workspace. This is the first video of my brand new playlist, Citrix Virtual App and Desktop, step-by-step installation and configuration. So what I am going to cover in this playlist, I will explain about Citrix Architect, how it works. So there are around 30 to 14 video in this playlist. So first I will cover prerequisite services for Citrix Virtual App and Desktop. So we need to configure Azure Active Directory, DNS, DSCP, and file share server. So I will configure that in first video. Then we will install all the Citrix component one by one. First we will install storefront server. For storefront, I will create a two store so I can explain about the load balancing. We will create our first store and we configure that. After that we will install license server, then delivery controller and director server. These three components we will install on the same server. Also we will install the database on the same server. After that we will install video agent and we will configure our first session server. After that we will configure our Citrix site, and then we will create a machine catalog and delivery group. We will publish our first application and test. Also I will explain about user access management, and then we will cover Citrix profile management. So for that we need to configure the group policy and we need to create a file share server. So I will explain that. Also I am planning to add another profile management tool, FS Logic. So I will explain that also. We need to create a separate group policy for that. We will check in that we will configure. So about my lab setup, I am using VMware Workspace tool, and I'm planning to create 5 servers. So first server is for prerequisite services. I will install AD, DNS, DSCP and file server on that server, and the operating system will Windows 2016. And the second server, CTX DC SR1. In that server, as I explained earlier, we will install delivery controller license server and Citrix Studio on this server. Also the database which is needed for Citrix, that will also we will install on the same server. And for storefront server, there will be two server, so that will help us to that will need it for us to create a store. And the last server is session host server. So total there are 5 server in my lab, and operating system is Windows 2016. Let me walk you through my lab. So these are as I explained earlier, these are the 5 server I am created. So in my next video, we will install Active Directory, DNS and DSCP on this server. So, and after that, I will create more video that will explain about the Citrix component. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video. Thank you.